First things first, guys, I actually wasn't going to make a video on this recipe, but I thought, hey, I'm baking this bread, why not? So today I'm going to make low-carb olive bread. You can use a pre-mixture that I've got here. This is a low-carb bread mixture, but alternatively, you can just look up a recipe for low-carb bread. I do have one currently on my channel for coconut flour bread. If you'd like, I'd show you a recipe using almond flour, but I'm going to use this pre-mixture, and it's really nice. You can actually add in your own flavors. You can add in spinach and feta, walnut and rosemary, cheddar and mustard. Just make it your own. So today I'm going to show you how to make a keto low-carb olive bread. So let's begin. Okay, first things first, get yourself a bowl, and we're going to start with our liquid ingredients first. You need 5 eggs, crack them into your bowl. Next, we're going to add in 100 ml of water. Next, you're going to add in 20 ml of olive oil or coconut oil. I'm using olive oil. That's 15 ml and 5 ml, so we've got 20 ml of olive oil. And next, we're going to add in 2 tablespoons of lemon juice, freshly squeezed. So this is added so the bread doesn't go brown. Freshly squeezed, or you could use vinegar alternatively, but I go with the lemon juice. Okay guys, now we are going to beat our liquid ingredients till it's light and frothy. Perfect. Now we move on to the next step. Nothing says Greek olive bread like oregano, so I'm going to add some oregano into the liquid ingredients. Okay, that's good. Now I'm going to add in the dry ingredients. As I said, you can use a basic low-carb recipe for this recipe. Follow my coconut flour recipe on my channel. I'll link it down in the description box below or in the iCard above. And now I'm just going to add in this pre-mixed flour. It'll work with almond flour, macadamia flour, coconut flour. As long as it's low carb, you're good to go. Okay guys, now we're going to just give this mixture a good mix. Okay guys, we've just mixed our batter, and now this is the fun part. We are making olive bread. So what we'll of course need is some olives. So I'm just going to add in some black olives. Next I'm going to add in some parsley. And last but not least, I'm going to add some crumbled up feta cheese. I've used 2 bricks here, 2 small bricks. Now I'm just going to give that a mix with a spoon into our batter. going to set this aside for all the ingredients to set, and I'm going to grab a baking pan and turn on my oven. We'll be baking this for 30 to 40 minutes at 220 degrees Celsius. I'll put the conversion on the screen in Fahrenheit. Okay guys, I have put the mixture into a loaf pan, preheating the oven to 220 degrees Celsius, and next it's ready to go into the oven. Just taken the bread out the oven, we're going to cut this up. Smells amazing and it came out perfect. Quite pleased with this. So you can try this olive bread yourself, the low carb keto olive bread, and I'm sure you'll enjoy it. I'm going to cut this up and let's see the texture. Oh, look at the texture of this bread. You can see the olives, the feta cheese. It looks amazing. I hope you give this recipe a try, and if you do, let me know how it turns out for you. Thanks for watching. Another little random clip. Look at the olives and feta, and we've tasted a bit. It's amazing. Worth a try, guys. Who said you can't have some fun on a low carb lifestyle? Hang on, don't click off just yet. We have a second channel that I hope you would check out called Owl TV. The link is in the description box down below. We cover true crime, covering a series of true crime topics. We also covered the Watts case in depth in a series with over 5 million views. We do travel vlogs, unboxings, DIYs, gaming, more recipes, and so much more. Vlogging our lives, and we just have fun over there. You can also find us on YouTube with our Owl TV handle name, or in the description box down below. I do hope you can come check it out and subscribe and join the family. Thank you so much for watching this video. Please share it, smash the like button, give it a big thumbs up. Let's connect. Follow me on all social media. I would so appreciate it if you can subscribe to my channel, and don't forget to click on the notification bell so you can be notified when I release a new video. Don't forget to leave your comments down below, share your thoughts, and any video suggestions you might have, leave it down in the comments. I would love to hear from you. If you enjoyed this video, I would appreciate if you can leave a super thanks. It will be greatly appreciated if you choose to do so. Thank you so much. Please stay connected, and I will see you in my next video.
Jack it up.